Yo guys, what is up? It's AJ, and I was just asking for my golden pet back, but this girl isn't giving it. So yeah, hopefully one of you can join my game and then give me a golden pet. And yeah, hopefully one of you guys can join my YT. Join my game. Please give me yeah. Please, please, please. Please give me a golden one because I just lost my golden one. I by mistakenly traded it to her. Look, she's not giving it back. I got it for a reason because I was really bad at the game, but now she's not giving it back. I might just quit my YouTube channel. Yeah, she must be younger than me. Okay.